Today we're learning the You Drop the Bomb on Me line dance because you requested it. Now, I'm gonna break this up into 4 easy sections and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. I'm gonna turn around here. My left is your left and my right is your right, okay? Starting off with section number 1. You're gonna take your right leg, you're gonna hit it twice like this. 1, 2, then left, same thing. 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, then from here, you're gonna double up. You're gonna go like this on the right leg first. 5, then left, 6, then double on the right, 7, 8. Let's repeat that one more time. 5, 6, 7, we said double on the right, double on the left, single, single, double, double. Yeah, one more time with counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's section 1. All right. Now, moving on to section number 2, you're going to take your right leg after this and you're going to kick it forward like this. Kick, step, kick, step. If you see me from the side here, I'm taking that right leg to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So one more time. We finish from here. We step out with this right leg, kick it out. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then from here, I'm going to step forward with the right leg, step with the right, and I'm going to pivot turn towards my left shoulder, step on the left, then I'm going to step with the right one more time, right, same thing, turn towards my left shoulder, step with the left. What just happened? One more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, section 2. We kick 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's review section 1 and 2 nice and slow to make sure you have it. All right, here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, doubles 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now moving on to section number 3. Now this one here, you're gonna take your right leg, you're gonna do a kickball change here. So I'm gonna kick the right leg, kick with the right, right, left. See me from the side here, I'm going kickball change. Yes, if you see me from the same side as you, kicking our right leg, kick, right, left. Now that timing there is gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We're doing that twice. 5, 6, 7, we said 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, then after that, we go into my favorite part of this dance. It's the groove, okay? So after you take this right leg, after you kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, you're stepping out with the right leg. You're gonna do like a hip around here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, one more time. So we said 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and that's section number 3. So let's go through section 1, 2, and 3 nice and slow. From the top, here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, slow. Step 1, 2, 3, double up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, kick 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we go kickball change, and groove, and groove. Hey, all right. Now, we only have one more section left, section number 4. This time, you're gonna take your right leg, you're gonna stomp twice. You're gonna go 1, 2, then take your left leg to go back, 3, 4. One more time, it's gonna go right, right, left, right. See me from the side here? I go right, right, left, right. So when that left leg goes behind, you bring up that right leg and then step back down. One more time. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do the same thing on the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. What just happened? One more time. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's section number 4, all right? So let's do section 1, 2, 3, and 4, nice and slow, and then we'll try it straight through. Here we go, ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's a whole dance right there, and then you just repeat it, all right? So let's try it straight through, no stopping now. You ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, double up. Hey, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, pivot, turn, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go kickball change, and groove, groove, double step, rock it out, double step, rock it out, repeat. Hey, 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 hey. All right? So you just keep doing that over and over. And that's the end of the dance, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Now try with the music by clicking right over here. Or YouTube might think you like this video next. All right? Keep dancing, y'all. Yeah, yeah. Turn it up. It's so nice outside, by the way.